Okay guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. This is the Sunday night walking street. Looks like there's going to be a show here. Just got here. 40 baht parking at the temple, which is peace of mind more than anything. Here's the crocodile vendors. Seems to be popular. We're going to take a look around, see what's here, what's available. Check out the food. Hopefully not as busy as the Saturday night one. Look at that. See cool stuff? Hello, puppy. Hi. Oh, see? That's her baby. Food looks pretty good. Check the price though. I don't see no prices. Busy. That's good. It seems to be just the normal same old, you know. Chicago Bulls is looking pretty good. I have to say, some food, mostly knick-knack souvenir stuff, typical Thailand. I mean, let's go look at these flowers over here. Same stuff we saw at the Saturday night market and the same vendors. I bought one of these about 15 years ago, but it was a lot bigger. My nephew could ride it until it broke. They're not meant to be ridden, but it's really cool. Look at this lotus. It's not real, but it's cool. Cool is good. Cool is good. Look at all this wooden stuff. Check these out, guys. Hand carved. Very simply done. You probably can do quite a few of these in a day. Until you get to the bigger, more complicated ones. But they're cheap, you know? 170 baht. That's like $6, $5 or $6, you know? Beautiful stuff. See the little guy with the coconut? Right here, buddy. Very nice, yeah? Another temple, huh? 10,000 baht fine. Imprisoned for 6 months. Wow. They are strict. Umbrellas. I did a tour of the umbrella factory. That was really cool. See how these things are made. The wooden tuk-tuk. Very nice. Swadika. He's playing a homemade solid wood guitar with a terrible light. Check this out. These pictures here, it's pretty amazing, yeah? This is coconuts. That's the inside of a coconut. Look at the detail. Oh, that's really nice. I like that one. Look at that. Don't say Thailand, this is Africa, but pretty cool, huh? Check this out. These have been around ever since I've been coming to Thailand, 15 years. It's a tuk-tuk made out of a can. This guy's doing really nice with. Actually, I have one of these. He's got a big bag full of cans ready to go, yeah? Oh, that's a different one. That's a different one, yeah. It's beautiful, yeah. It's not made out of a can. Check out this pile of wood-carved animals. A lot of owls, which is, I'm surprised, owls is kind of a, not a happy bird for Thai people. A lot of owls, cats, elephants, of course. It's pretty amazing, huh? Simply made. TV show. That's a big frog.
สำหรับร้านป้าน้อยอาหารป่าป้าเล็กแดกพิสดารนะฮะแล้วก็ร้านป้าน้อยเปิดพิสดารนะครับถ้าอยากได้กบไซส์ใหญ่ขนาดนี้ซื้อได้ที่นี่ที่เดียวนะครับเอาไปทำอะไรกินได้นะแกงกบอ๋อเอาหัวเอาไฟฝากได้อันนี้ตัวเท่าไหร่ครับตัว1,500ครับเนี่ยมันเป็นไม้อ่ะพี่สำหรับราคากบตัวนี้นะครับก็1,500เองใช่แล้วคุณจะลดราคาให้เขาแล้ว 1,500 บาท 1,500 บาทลดเหลือตัวนี้นะฮะ 1,500 บาทเฮ้ยเดี๋ยววะ 1,500 บาทถ้ามาซื้อภายใน10 นาทีนี้ลดเหลือเราควักกระเป๋าตังค์กันแล้วกูเล่นเนี่ย
See that? I'm going to be on TV now. For real? Probably. I'll probably get cut out, of course.
Moi c'est exclusivement en Asie.
Come to an intersection. Crazy, huh? This might give new meaning to street art. Some of these paintings are unbelievable. And it's just sitting on the road. Like, seriously. All kinds of stuff, man. Look at this. Look at the Vespa. Nice one, yeah? Where you going? Cheers. Buy fruit. A lot of passion fruit in there. Good, really good. She's bumper to bumper right now. A lot of people, but there's still all these paintings, yeah? If I could get to them. That must be the artist or the seller. Unreal, yeah? Look at this one. It looks like a New Brunswick flag for some reason. Doesn't that remind you of the New Brunswick flag? Okay. I really like that, huh? It's the Chinese junk. With the 2 pagodas in the back. Wow, that is really, really cool. Need a massage? Go to the market. Or the walking street in this case. Check this out. Teak wood, it claims. Handmade wood carvings of teak. Oh man, there's lots here. It's got terrible lighting, of course. Unreal. I like this one coming up right here. Look at that. It's 3D, one piece. Amazing, yeah? And you got some tiny ones. These little ones, 150 baht, about $5. You got these keychain size ones, 50 baht each. No price on the big ones. Let's look for something happier than brain tumors. It never ends. It just goes forever. Check this one out. Stuffed head of crab. Hello. Oh. I think I should have one, yeah? Two? We will have two, thank you. The boss has spoken. Check this out. Look at all the bowls that got stacked up here, made out of banana leaf. For your salad, of course. You watch this. Mystery meatballs. This is how they're made. Almost like the factory, huh? You're the factory, yeah?
Yes.
Better than the factory. Just pops them right out. Missing everyone the same size. My sausage is really good. Check it out. This dog is collecting money for poor dogs. It's a husky wearing glasses.
Just in case.
See if anybody donates. Yeah, it's glasses, yeah. It's a beautiful dog. Come on, people. There you go, buddy. He is a beauty. Why is nobody donating? There you go. He is beautiful. He'll probably make some good money here. There goes my donation. This might be the most realistic sushi I've seen in this country. Some of it is still a bit of a mystery, but some of it looks pretty good. And it's popular. Check out these. It's got a lot, but these three big ones. Wow, I like that. That is very, very cool. Oh, look at this guy. That's too cool, man. We have hit critical mass. She is full to exploding. I need to get out of here. It's walking street barely. Check it out. A dog in a stroller. Hey, look at this. Getting their nails done. Okay guys, well that's it. Interesting place, let me tell you. Too many people. Not a lot of food, a lot of trinket stuff, souvenir stuff, but just too many people in the middle of the walking street. You can't move. What's it like in high season? This is low season, you know. It must be something when this city is full of tourists. Unbelievable place though, and things seem quite reasonably priced, in my opinion, compared to some of the other areas in this city, that's for sure. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Oh, turbo lights. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching.